If you want to connect your Samsung Galaxy A57 to a car, then in that case, first of all, we need to open settings. Over here in settings, we need to go to connected devices. Next in here, we're gonna go to the Android Auto option. And in here, we should be able to find this button, connect a vehicle. If you go over here, you will find your first instruction. You need to simply connect your phone to your car using a cable. So if you have a USB port in your car, then you can use it and you should be able to connect quite easily and start using Android Auto. On the other hand, if your car supports wireless Android Auto, then we can choose this option over here, connect using wireless Android Auto, and you can find additional instruction that you can of course use. Besides that, we can tap on connect using Bluetooth, and then we can press pair a vehicle over here in order to jump to Bluetooth settings, and you should be able to find your car over here on this list of available devices. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.